Students choose Apollo Career Center to prepare for a successful future in carpentry. Students will get hands-on experience in building a new home from frame to finish. This experience includes framing, roofing, siding, and interior finish. Upon completion of the 2-year program, students will be able to gain successful employment in the construction trades. Carpentry is also a pathway for students who are interested in post-secondary education such as in architecture or project management. Students who attend the carpentry program will also learn teamwork skills, which will help them be more employable in the construction trades. At Apollo, we care about our students. If you are interested in attending the Apollo Career Center, please see your guidance counselor.